Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you how you use elements of graphics in Canva. As you can see, I already created my project. It's a very simple one, nothing special. Where you want to find it, you have to go to Elements, which is on your left side of the screen. We press Elements, and above all there's a Lines and Shapes. Lines and Shapes. I already tried this one before, not to stutter. And you want to click on them, Lines and Shapes. Now you see there's a lot to pick from. Those are just the simplest ones. There's a photos, but they are available only for pro users. And finally graphics. As you can see, there's a lot of cool ones. If you want to really take your project to another level, we can go with this one. It's good. It's pretty nice for your presentation or basically anything you like. There's, as I said, there's a tons of free ones. For example, this one, it's also very nice. Unfortunately, my color is not very good for this one, but yeah, you get the idea. If you want to remove them, just press delete. It's completely up to you. And so on. You can animate them, you can make them pop higher or lower. It's up to you. Like this, for example, fade, breathe, rise, or completely none. Well, that's about it. That's how you use your basic simple graphics from Canva in your Canva project. Thanks a lot and see you in the next video.